Hi everybody, Wes and Jolie here. We just wanted to show you some before pictures of the window that we were working on, and so you'll be able to see our progress, and we hope you enjoy it. Bye. We good, honey? She's laughing from take one. So we're fixing a window again today, and this was the old part of the window and made a new piece to go on it. We're going to put that on and replace the piece of glass here, and hopefully this window will last another 150 years. We have our new piece here. We want to test it out and see if it fits the old window frame. And if it does, we know we did our job right.
You're on 2 videos.
She had to scratch her nose in the middle of the video, so take 2. Anyway, it seems like it fits okay, and we'll get this primed and put together. There's some wooden pins or dowels that we have to put in here, and then eventually put the glass back in. That's it. So this is what the window looks like that we put the new bottom on. Put 2 coats of primer on it, 2 coats of paint on the outside here. Then we're going to paint the other side, which is the inside, and then put the glass in. Alright, so this is the window all put back together and put in, repainted, reglazed. Had to put a new piece of glass in. So we probably only got about, I don't know, maybe 30 more to go.